Hi guys, welcome to another episode of How to Wednesday. We have been out of town, but we are back hotter than before. So today I have a special goodie for videographers, photographers, and filmmakers. So you may be wondering, what is this case that I'm having here? This is a lens case that enables you to protect your lenses, enables you to keep your lens away from dust and also from water in some rainy seasons. So let me go directly into explaining how this case is built. So first of all, this case has been built in a way that it is very durable from shock. It is very durable from falling. It can't break easily. I'll go right ahead into opening it, and from this side, it has two locks that have been built in a way that you will have yourself to push and pull so that you can be able to open it, meaning that your lenses have been protected anytime you have this Samyang lens case. Sorry. So after opening it, you will see that it has two foams that are used to protect your lenses each and every time you place them. For this particular one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lens holders where you can be able to place your lenses, and they will be protected from dust, from shock, yes, and from water. So you may be asking yourself, why use this foam? I can use a mattress. No, don't use a mattress. The reason is why these foams have been compressed in a way that the particles cannot get into your lens and destroy your lens. But when you use a mattress, uh, those particles may enter into your lens and damage your lens. So you need to have these, guys. It is very customable. For this one, it has a diameter of 82 millimeters, so it can only carry lenses with 82 mm, and also you can be able to purchase others that have different millimeters from this. So guys, if you want more information about this, you can reach us at our website www.highwav.co.ke or call the number here. That's it from me. See you in the next one.